I don't know how this is gonna go, but it's time to upload something that I've been waiting for so long. My FNAF theory. This is about the timeline. And this might be in a couple parts. People are commonly saying that there's like the Bite of 87, 1987, hold on. No, 1983 is when Fredbear's Place happened, and incidents happened there, but no, it's not what I think. In FNAF 4, on the TV, you see 1987, which is a commercial for Freddy Fazbear's gang. And basically, 1987 is when I think that Fredbear's Place came out. Not the date that is taking place. You can see Freddy, Bonnie, Chica, and Foxy and Golden Freddy. There's also plushies for them. So this FNAF 4 kid, I believe that you are him in sister location. He might have actually gotten bitten, but he could still be alive. Doesn't matter. It's just like so much information on one thing. So FNAF 4, the man we called William Afton, who owned Fredbear's Family Diner with Henry, his business partner had 3 children. And William Afton was lonely. So William could be jealous of his business partners, so he would kill him. He would kill his children, which is his older brother and his sister. He thought that the little boy was dead when he was bitten, but he was able to survive. And now people are gonna just like scream at me, but I believe that purple guy actually killed 7 children. There was a boy with a balloon. There was a kid with a hat. A girl with a plush Springtrap. A laughing kid. Hold on. Balloon. The kid with the balloon. Kid that's laughing. Girl with plush. Girl with orange hair. Boy in Foxy mask. Boy in Freddy mask. First from Five Nights at Freddy's, the kid, Five Nights at Freddy's 4. The boy's brother, which has the Foxy mask on. For placeholder, I would put him with Foxy. The one with the Chica mask, as a placeholder, would go to Chica. The boy with the balloon, I would think, is Balloon Boy, because in the minigame on FNAF 3, you can see that there is the same shape and a sacred part with a soul in Balloon Boy's place. So I would think that Balloon Boy has a soul trapped inside of him. He was also holding a purple balloon. And what's weird is Scott actually used the last balloon for the Balloon Boy minigame as a little secret, which was purple. Which so lets me believe that he could actually be Balloon Boy as one of the souls. I'm tired. From the FNAF timeline, I believe that is Fredbear's Family Diner, FNAF 4 and Sister Location mixed together, FNAF 1, FNAF 2, then FNAF 1 again, and then last is FNAF 3. I believe that the first FNAF took place twice, because first, there was a normal place, then the second pizzeria, which would be the grand opening of the new one, and then back to the original. I could tell from there because there's actually pictures of bits you can see that are actually like things that represent the second game. No, I believe that the FNAF 4 took place at the same time as Sister Location, because you can clearly tell that there's a map of the boys' home leading the Fredbears, the boys' room, hallway, and living room, and the plush trap minigame sits at the bottom, top right, and top left. And also, look at that. There's a plush, fun with plush trap, boys' room, boys' bed. Now, I don't have a screenshot for the last bit, but it's all Chica next to Funtime Freddy. People think it's a common Easter egg, but you only see it once. So I would find that pretty weird that Scott would just put that in there, and it only flashes once. So Chica could be a prototype down there. Sister Location could be a place where they destroy animatronics and they make them. Like the withered animatronics could have been in the scooping room, but managed to escape. Mangled could have actually been in the scooping room, regardless of what Phone Guy says. In Fazbear's Fright, the common horror attraction, Springtrap, is still alive. He's still hunting. Some people say that Purple Guy could not have killed them, but I believe that he did. When the crying child forced him into a spring-lock suit, the water gets on it, causing him to be crushed. And also another weird thing is that Golden Freddy doesn't have his endoskeletons, so maybe he's been in the scooping room. If you think about it clearly, it does make a little bit of sense. And that includes the video. I was actually able to share everything that I had.